I feel so much more confident. I'm more myself now after the surgery. It's amazing. Dr. Barrett is the best surgeon.
Home run all over the place for this. He's doing great. All right, here's our beautiful patient. Over 10 years ago, she had implants placed. She had tubular breasts, and for the most part, nothing bad, but these are large for her body. So we're going to replace the large implants for our smaller, little perkier implant, and we're going to do an internal pocket repair to bring this up. We're going to release medially here to give her some more cleavage, but we're going to give her a much more natural, lifted, perky result. So stay tuned.
Today I'm having a breast augmentation, a revision. Years ago, about 12 years ago or so, I had breast implants done. I think now it's time that I revisit them and revise them so they fit my body more and more for my lifestyle. I did choose Dr. Barrett because I love that he does take a holistic approach. I love his results. There are a lot of gals in and around my neighborhood and daily life that have gone to Dr. Barrett. There are people that I admire their physique that have gone to Dr. Barrett, and I'm excited to be one of his patients. I think that for a long time, plastic surgery has almost had some negative connotations of people wanting to look different than they're meant to be. And I think Dr. Barrett does a really great job of enhancing the person, taking their ideas and who they exactly want to put themselves out into the world to be, and making us as beautiful as we possibly can inside and out.
Quick recap, we took out the implants. They were 450, high profile. We don't like that. We switched to moderate profile. We did a little differential sizing. Biggest part, we did that pocket repair on the side, gave her a lot more cleavage, more perkiness at the top, decreased the size to match her body a little bit better, and did a little internal tightening to lift up the whole breast. Thanks so much.
The recovery was very, very easy, and I'm absolutely loving the results. Just go for it. It's amazing. Dr. Barrett is the best surgeon. I feel so much more confident in my clothes. I feel like my clothes fit me better. I feel like I'm more myself now after the surgery.
So we're 4 months out, you guys. This is looking beautiful. We have nice cleavage here. Basically, we went from a high profile implant, kind of like this, which is very projected, to something that is a little more moderate profile. So what you get is better cleavage here. We did a pocket repair on the side because her breasts were falling off to the side. And we also downsized her. She was 450. It was way too big for her body. Now we have a more matching size for her and better fold position and lateral fold positioning. Okay, so the net effect is upper pole fullness, like a perky, youthful appearance, better size for her body, and better cleavage. She's doing really well at 4 months. We're going to continue our massage, continue our scar management. You can't even see the scars, which is home run all over the place for this. You guys, she's doing great.